Okay, everyone. Thank you for being here. Make sure you have paper and pencil out ready to copy these notes as we are going to learn about arithmetic. Can't even say it. Arithmetic sequences, right? Which is the name of our notes. Arithmetic sequences, right? So let us take a look. Let's look at our first objective here. So we are going to find the common difference and the three terms in the sequence after the last one given. So the key here is we are finding the common difference, which we learned about last time, right? And the three terms in the sequence after the last one given. Fancy language, we're going to find the next three terms after 1. 1, 2, 3. We're going to find the next three terms. So first thing that we do, of course, is we identify our terms. So this is our A1, this is our A2, this is our A3, and this is our A4 this time. All right, I have 4 terms. So let us find our common difference. D with arithmetic sequence, we're going to take the 4th term minus the 3rd term. The 4th term is 1 minus the 3rd term is 8, right? 1 minus 8 is they are different signs. 8 minus 7 is 1, and it's a negative. So, right, my common difference is -7. Okay? Okay, good. -7. Let's try one more, though, just to be sure. Let me do 2nd term minus the 1st term. The 2nd term is 15. The 1st term is 22. 15 minus 22, they're different signs. 22 minus 15 is 7. And negative because 22 is bigger. There you go. Look at that. Our common difference is -7. So common difference is equal to -7. Okay? That's our first part. Find the common difference. Then we're going to find 3 terms. So that means that I'm going to subtract 7 here 3 more times to find the next 3 numbers. So I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to subtract 7. 1 minus 7. And that gives me, hold on, go back. So this is the 4th term. I'm going to find the 5th term. A to the power 5 is 1 minus 7. Right? The common difference is 7. Well, 1 minus 7 are different signs. So I subtract, 7 minus 1 is 6, -6. There you go. Look at that. That's a to the power of 5, -6. Right? A to the power of 5. That's the 5th term. So let us find the 6th term now. A6 is equal to, well, this is the 5th term, so -6 and then -7. -7 is our common difference, right? So -6 and -7 are the same signs. So the 6th term is equal to 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 is bigger, so 7 is a negative, so our answer is negative as well. Look at that. And one more, because this says find 3 terms. So I found 1, I found 2. Let us find, and this is the 6th term. 6th term, so let us find the 7th term. 7th term is equal to the 6th term, and then the common difference is -7. So those two are the same sign. 13 plus 7 is 20, and it's a -20 because 13 is bigger, and there's my 3 terms. Look at that. I found 3 terms. I found the common difference, which was -7, and I found 1, 2, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, let's move on to our second example. Our second example is, once again, we are going to highlight, we're going to find common difference and the term named in the problem. Okay? We are going to find the common difference, and then we're going to find the term named in the problem. This problem wants us to find the 32nd term, everyone. 32nd term. Not the term 3 terms after. It doesn't say find the next 3 terms. It says find the 32nd term. So let me identify my terms first. So this is my first term, second term, third term, and it looks like a 9, fourth term. First term, second term, third term. So let's do the easy part first. Let us find the common difference. So D is equal to the third term minus the second term. So negative 228 is our third term minus negative 128 is our second term. And we remember that minus minus becomes plus plus. So these two are not the same sign, so we subtract. 228 minus 128 is 100, and it's a negative because 228 is bigger, so the common difference in between third and second term is minus 100, right? We're going to minus 100 each time. So let's do one more test just to be sure here. So let's do the fourth term minus the third term, right? It's always subtract the one right before. So the first term is negative 328 minus the third term is negative 228. Minus minus becomes plus plus. These are not the same sign, so I subtract. 328 minus 228 is 100. Negative because 328 is bigger, and there's our common difference. So if you notice, look at that. Negative 100 is our common difference, right? So we say common difference is equal to 100. Negative 100, excuse me. Negative 100, okay? So find the common difference. We found it. Okay? Find the common difference. Now we're going to find the 32nd term. Guys, this is the fourth term. I really don't want to do this. Find the fourth term, right? Find the fifth. Find the sixth. Find the seventh. Find the eighth. Find the ninth. Find the 10th. Find the 11th. Find all the way to 32. I don't want to do that. So what in the heck am I going to do? Well, let me show you. Let me check my eraser here. And look what's hiding over here, everybody. Woo! Look at that. I'll try to be dramatic by doing it slowly. But look at this. This is going to help us. This, kiddos, is called the arithmetic sequence formula. This is the arithmetic sequence formula. A to the n is whatever term I want to find. So this n represents whatever number. A to the n, a to the 32nd, so n is equal to 32. Look at that. A to the first is the first term, which we have, right? N is whatever this little number is. And D is the common difference. So let's check it out. Let's do it. So A to the N. A to the N is the actual. A to the N is the actual term we're trying to find. So I'm going to substitute a to the n with a to the 32nd. Look at that. Is equal to a to the first. What is a to the first? Right there, negative 28. So let's say negative 28 plus parentheses n. Well, look, this n is this n. So here is 32. Look at that, 32. Minus 1, right? All I'm doing is I'm copying, I'm going from left to right. Minus 1, parentheses. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Parentheses. Come on, Martinez. Parentheses. Times d. Times the common difference, which is negative 100. So I'm going to write negative 100. I'm going to put it in parentheses because I don't want to confuse it. It's minus 100. Okay, so we get that. Now we're going to write our line of separation. I'm going to do 32 minus 1 is 31, right? Times negative 100. Okay, and I bring down my plus negative 28. Okay, let me cover this up here so I have room. Okay, that was our formula though. We used our formula. Okay, then we're going to multiply 31 times negative 100, which gives us positive times negative is negative 3,100. And then I bring down my negative 28. Well, negative 28 and negative 3,100 are the same signs. So I'm going to add them. I'm going to get negative 3,128. And that right there, kiddos, is our 32nd term. If we keep writing down this order and we keep going all the way to a to the 32nd term, we're going to get that right there. That is the 32nd term, right? Look at that. Okay, and that is our lesson, right? So you're going to use, let's see if we could uncover it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Never mind. Never mind. Let me cover it back up because I don't want to block our answer. There you go. But we're going to use that formula, right? We're going to use that formula. So, and actually let me write it over here on the bottom so it's not gone. So it was a to the n is equal to a to the first plus n minus 1 times the common difference, right? This is our arithmetic sequence formula. Okay, so there you go. Right? Hopefully you copied everything down and you're ready to go for this work of arithmetic sequences. All right? Thank you guys for being here. See you next time.